Hi, I'm Shannon O'Brien, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve a smoky eye look with minimal product and minimal time. I have a bare lid, just a little bit of mascara on. I'm going to start with a nude stick. These are some of my favorite products for a smoky eye. They are a creamy pencil, like a chubby pencil, and they just go on really nicely, and they give you a lot of time to work. Other benefit to that is even though they go on really creamy, they are super long wearing and they won't fall out on you. I think one of the most versatile smoky eyes is a dark chocolate brown smoky eye. So this is a nude stick in chocolate, and I'm going to start just by filling in my eyelid with it. Just go on super easy. And I'm just going to take it all the way from my lash line to my crease, not above. Now I've got my blending brush, and you could actually, sometimes I'll take the lighter color, I'll just use my finger to blend it out, but I'm going to try and be a little more accurate today. And we're just going to start feathering it through the crease. The great thing about a blending brush is it does most of the work for you. So that's when you see that seamless blend. Most people are using a brush similar to this. And I like to carry it just through the crease so that the shadow just kind of blends out right above it. And honestly, you could probably even stop right there if that's what you wanted. We're going to add a little bit more texture and a little more shape to it. I'm going to use a bulleted brush to do this, and this time I'm going to pick up the product on the brush and just start sweeping it under my eye. Something that will help you with this is if you look down, it'll kind of give you a little bit more wiggle room right here. And this is something you could even do with just an eyeliner pencil. I happen to like the nude sticks because they blend out really nicely. They're a little creamier and they wear so well. But I've done this with a regular chocolatey brown or even a black pencil. And I like to kind of connect them out here. I'm taking another brush that does nothing on it. The reason I take it under, it gives you a little more definition, and I can already see my eye looks much bigger, even though this one doesn't have anything on it. Now with the same brush that we used to blend under the eye, I'm going to pick up a matte chocolate brown eyeshadow that's a little bit darker than the pencil we used. And I'm just going to press it right into my lash line out here a bit. Next, for a little bit more dimension and shine and fun, I like to take a shimmery bronze or gold shadow, and we're going to press it right in the center of the lid. I'm just going to use my finger for this. Ring finger, again, my favorite. I try to keep the shimmer just on the eye. It just is a little bit more impactful there. And it looks a little more professional. Afterwards, I just like to pile on the mascara. Give your lashes a really good curl. That's going to really help visually lengthen your lashes. Even though they're not technically any longer, they'll look longer because you can see more of them. So Now I've chosen to leave my waterline blank because I feel like I'm all about having big eyes, and this will help make my eyes look bigger. You can add liner into the waterline, which will give you a little bit more intensity, and I'll show you what that'll look like. This is a slightly more open. I've done this to be a slightly more modern look. This one's a little bit more evening, nighttime drama. There's nothing wrong with either of them. It's a matter of preference. If you like your eye to look a little bit bigger, maybe you go this way. If you just want intensity, maybe go this way. I really like to pair a smoky eye with just clean glowing skin and a neutral or nude lip. Today I'm just going to use this kind of nude gloss stain. That'll give me a little definition, but it won't distract from this heavy eye that I have going. And there you have it, smoky eye. Not so many steps, not so many products, lots of options.